So as I was going through the week 4 assignments, the chapter 3 exercises, I ran into an issue that it appears is not well explained previously in the semester. So I apologize for that, but we're going to get these added in here for you so that you can continue with this assignment. Looking at the chapter 3 questions, you're asked to create select statements based off of this vendors table. Well, we don't have a vendors table. We haven't actually created any data schemas in our in your MySQL server, and that needs to be done here. If you'll go back to your course homepage, go down to student resources, the file name is create database, so it's under your software and docs, create databases. It's going to open up a SQL text window right here. There's two ways you can go about opening this up. Either you can copy this entire script and paste it into MySQL Server Workbench, or you can download the file. And if you've got everything set up properly, just double-clicking here should open it in MySQL Server. If that doesn't work, you may have to right-click and open with SQL Server or something to that effect. Now you'll notice if mine shows unconnected, so you'll need to reconnect to your DBMS right here. If yours is off, and then once you've got your little lightning bolt, you can go ahead and execute that script. There we go. Bunch of green check marks. It's normal to have a couple of these yellow triangles. They are drop statements. Now you can't drop a schema that you haven't already created yet. And so that will throw an error, sort of a warning that says, hey, you don't have something to drop here, and that's fine. But what it's doing is actually, it drops them if they're already there and then recreates them properly according to this schema here. So over here, we right click and refresh your schema list. And what you're looking for here, the three data schemas that you created are EX, OM, and AP. AP is what we're going to be looking for that has the vendors table in it. So that should allow you to write those SQL scripts up and proceed with your homework for week 4. If you have any questions on that, please start a new thread under the week 4 questions and comments discussion board.